I woke up this morning, and everything felt wrong. The tides are monstrous, swallowing coastlines whole, while the air crackles with a terrifying energy. The moon, our once serene sentinel, is now a looming harbinger of doom, growing larger and more menacing by the hour. Scientists are in a frenzy, confirming the unthinkable, it's on a collision course with Earth. As gravity pulls it closer, chaos reigns. Cities are drowning, volcanic eruptions shake the ground beneath us, and governments are collapsing under the weight of panic. Food supplies are dwindling, and people are scrambling for safety, but where can we hide from the inevitable? Some cling to the hope of escape, while others brace for the end. But deep down, we all know, there's no bunker strong enough to shield us from what's coming. The countdown has begun, and the world holds its breath.